Good day everyone! We are now going to discuss about operations on functions. First, let's recall the addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. First, find the least common denominator of both fractions. Second, rewrite the fractions as equivalent fractions with the same LCD. Number 3. The LCD is the denominator of the resulting fraction. And fourth, the sum or difference of the numerators is the numerator of the resulting fraction. Let's have an example. Find the sum of 1/3 and 2/5. So that is 1/3 plus 2/5. What is the LCD of the two fractions? The LCD is 15. 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 is 5. 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 is 6. So that becomes 5/15 plus 6/15. Since they have the same denominator, you copy that one, which is 15. Then 5 plus 6/15. So that becomes 11/15. Example number 2. Find the sum of 1/x minus 3 and 2/x minus 5. So that is 1/x minus 3 plus 2/x minus 5. What is the LCD of the two fractions? That would be x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 5. That results by x squared minus 8x plus 15 by FOIL method. X squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 3 is x minus 5 multiplied by 1. Then, another one is x squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 5 is x minus 3, then multiplied by 2. That results to 1 times x minus 5 all over x squared minus 8x plus 15 plus 2 times x minus 3 over x squared minus 8x plus 15. So that results to x minus 5 plus 2x minus 6 all over x squared minus 8x plus 15. So you add the like terms. So x plus 2x is 3x. Negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. So that becomes 3x minus 11 all over x squared minus 8x plus 15. Let's recall multiplication of fractions. Number 1. Rewrite the numerator and denominator in terms of its prime factors. Number 2. Common factors in the numerator and denominator can be simplified as 1. Number 3. Multiply the numerators together to get the numerator. Number 4. Multiply the denominators together to get the new denominator. Example number 3. Find the product of 10/21 and 15/8. Express the numerators and denominators of the two fractions into their prime factors. Multiply and simplify out the common factors in the numerator and denominator to reduce the final answer to lowest terms. 10/21 becomes 2 times 5 over 7 times 3, and 15/8 becomes 3 times 5 over 2 times 4. You are now going to cancel 2 in the numerator and denominator, and 3 also. So that becomes 5 times 5 over 7 times 4. So the answer is 25 over 28. Example number 4. Find the product of x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 and x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared minus 3x minus 10. Let's review factoring. Then, you express the numerators and denominators of the two rational expressions into their prime factors. Multiply and simplify out common factors in the numerator and denominator to reduce the final answer to lowest terms. Note the similarity in the process between this example and the previous one on fractions. So that becomes quantity x plus 1 times x minus 5 over x minus 1 times x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 times x minus 3 over x minus 5 times x plus 2. Notice that x minus 5 can be cancelled since it is common in both numerator and denominator, and also same as x minus 2. So that becomes x plus 1 over x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 over x plus 2. You're now going to multiply this x plus 1 times x minus 3 using FOIL method. So the result is x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then x minus 1 times x plus 2 will become x squared plus x minus 2. Let's recall division of rational expressions. To divide two fractions or rational expressions, multiply the dividend with the reciprocal of the divisor. For example, divide 2x squared plus x minus 6 over 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 and x squared minus 2x minus 8 over 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. That becomes 2x squared plus x minus 6 over 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 8 over 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. So, that becomes x squared plus x minus 6 over 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 multiplied by 2x squared minus 3x minus 20 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. By using factoring, this becomes 2x minus 3 times x plus 2 over quantity 2x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 5 times x minus 4 over quantity x plus 2 times x minus 4. We are now going to cancel x plus 2 since it is common to both numerator and denominator, and same with 2x plus 5 and x minus 4. So this becomes 2x minus 3 over x plus 1. Definition: let f and g be functions. A. Their sum, denoted by f plus g, is the function defined by quantity f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Their difference, denoted divided by f minus g is the function defined by quantity f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Letter C. Their product denoted by f times g is the function defined by quantity f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Their quotient denoted by f over g is the function defined by quantity f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x, excluding the values of x where g of x is equal to 0. Example, if f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Find A. F plus g of x. Letter B. F minus g of x. Letter C. F g of x. And letter D. F over g of x. Letter A. F plus g of x. That is equal to f of x plus g of x. Notice that f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So that would be 3x minus 2 plus quantity x squared plus 2x minus 3. That is the g of x. Then 3x minus 2 is plus g squared plus 2x minus 3. So by regrouping, that becomes x squared plus, so you know that 3x plus 2x is 5x. Then negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So that becomes x squared plus 5x minus 5. Next is letter B. F minus g of x, that is equal to f of x minus g of x. So that becomes 3x minus 2 minus the quantity x squared plus 2x minus 3. So that becomes 3x minus 2 minus x squared minus 2x plus 3, since we are going to distribute the negative sign. Then by regrouping, we put first negative x squared. Then 3x minus 2x is positive x. Then negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. So negative x squared plus x plus 1. Next is f g of x. That is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. So that becomes 3x minus 2 multiplied by x squared plus 2x minus 3. Let's get the product of this. That is 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 9x minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 6. By regrouping, the answer would be 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 13x plus 6. Next is letter D. F over g of x. That is f of x over g of x. So f of x is 3x minus 2 over the g of x, which is x squared plus 2x minus 3. So we can't simplify this one because they don't have any common factors. So the answer is 3x minus 2 over x squared plus 2x minus 3. Composition of functions. Definition. Let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by f circle g is defined by f circle g of x, which is equal to f of g of x. The process of obtaining a composite function is called function composition. Composition of functions. It is the process of combining two functions where one function is performed first and the result of which is substituted in place of which x in the other function. Given the two functions f and g, the composition of f with g is denoted by f circle g, is defined by the equation f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x, where f is considered to be the dependent function and g is considered to be the independent function. Example, composite function. Given f of x is equal to 4x minus 5 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. Find letter A, f circle g of x. Letter B, quantity g circle f of x. For letter A, f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. That is equal to 4 quantity g of x minus 5. G of x is x squared plus 4. So, you substitute it to x. So, 4 times the quantity x squared plus 4 minus 5. You distribute then 4. So, 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 4 is 16. So, 4x squared plus 16 minus 5. So, simplifying, you will get 4x squared plus 11. Next is letter B. Quantity g circle f of x. That is equal to g of f of x. That means that the function f of x is inside the function g of x. So, that means that it is equal to f of x squared plus 4. So, f of x is 4x minus 5. So, you substitute that one. So, you will get 4x minus 5 squared plus 4. So 4x minus 5 squared is just equal to 4x minus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 4. Then, by FOIL method, you will get 16x squared minus 40x plus 25 plus 4. So the final answer is 16x squared minus 40x plus 29. Now let's have another example. If f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2, r of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over x minus 1, and g of x is equal to square root of x plus 1. Find and simplify g circle f of x. Find and simplify f circle r of x. Find and simplify f circle r of 5. So g circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. So we all know that f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to square root of x plus 1. So that would be square root of f of x plus 1. So f of x is 2x plus 1. So square root of 2x plus 1 plus 1. You remove the parenthesis, you will get square root of 2x plus 1 plus 1. So the final answer is square root of 2x plus 2. Next is f circle r of x. That is equal to f of r of x. So we all know that f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and r of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. So that would be 2 times the quantity 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1. So that becomes 2 times the quantity 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1. 2 times the quantity 2x plus 1 plus 1 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. So that becomes 4x plus 2 plus x minus 1 over x minus 1. Then by adding the same terms, so that becomes 5x plus 1 over x minus 1. So lastly, find f circle r of 5. So we all know that f circle r of x is just equal to 5x plus 1 over x minus 1. So you just simply substitute that x is equal to 5. So f circle r of 5 is equal to 5 times 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1. So that is equal to 25 plus 1 over 4. So the answer is 26 over 4. Let's now have another set of problem. Given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, g of x is equal to 3x minus 6. Find and simplify g circle f of x. Is this the same with f circle g of x? So g circle f of x is just equal to g of f of x, which is equal to 3 f of x minus 6. So we all know that f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So 3 times 2x plus 1 minus 6. So that is equal to 6x plus 3 minus 6. So the answer is 6x minus 3. Next one is f circle g of x. That is equal to f of g of x. That is equal to 2 times g of x plus 1. So g of x is 3x minus 6. So that becomes 6x minus 12 plus 1. So the answer is 6x minus 11. Therefore, g circle f of x is not equal to f circle g of x. So now here are the references by Edward C. Reyes, General Mathematics Quarter 1 of DepEd Northern Mindanao, General Mathematics DepEd Teaching Guide, Operations and Functions by Orlan Lupugan. And here are the photo references. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Keep safe. Subscribe to Analyze Math.